We are pleased to show you the 2016 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, power lift gate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, one owner, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.